everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x power 625 equals to 5 power x, and we are supposed to find the value of x. So let's provide the solution very quickly. Here we have to copy what we have. X power 625, which equals to 5 power x, right? Then what are you going to do? First of all, want to make part of here for variables and part of real numbers. First of all, we are going to remove this x that we have right here. So we take this one, x power 625, then power 1 over x, so that what we do on one side we have to do it on another side. We have 5 power x, then power 1 over x again, right? So this will be x power 625 over x, which equals to 5 power x over x, right? Then x power 625 over x will be 5. And even here on these sides we are going to remove this 625 that we have right here in the stay with x only, right? So what we do, we have x power 625 over x, then power 1 over 625, which equals to here 5, then power 1 over 625. So that here at this stage, this one and this will be cancelled to get x power 1 over x equals to here 5 power, this one is equals to 1 over 625. Then here we have x power 1 over x, which is equals to, we're going to multiply 1 times 1, right? And this one can be written as here 5 power 1 over 625, then this one can be written as times 5 over 5. You know that 5 over 5 is equals to, here is equals to 1. So we can continue by writing x power 1 over x equals to here 5 power 5, 1 times 5 is equals to 5 over 625 times 5. Then here we have x power 1 over x, which equals to 5 here power 5, right, as this one, times 1 over 625 times 5. All right, this is what we have right here. Then we shall write this one as x power 1 over x, which is equals to 5 here power 5 can be equals to here 3125, then power 1 over this one can be 5, right 2, 10, 2, right 1 here, that 30, 31. Okay, so that here our final answer, we have x power 1 over x, which is equals to 3125, then power 1 over 3125. If you have seen this way, we have x, which is equals to this one, and this x is equals to this one, so that the final solution, our x here, will be 3125. And of course here we can check if the answer is correct, because we have given here x power 625 equals to 5 power x, and of course here we have 3125 as this one. Okay, then power here 625 equals to 5 power 3125. This is what we have right here. And of course this one here is equals to 5 power 5, then power 625, which is equals to 5 power 3125, and of course this 5 will be 5 times z, this one, which is equal to 5 power 3125, which is equals to 5 power 3125. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.